In general, YouTube doesn't allow you to pick a custom thumbnail or preview picture for your uploaded videos. Instead, YouTube generates 3 randomly selected pictures, which you can select from to use as your thumbnail. Usually, these 3 options are not very good representations of your video, since they are randomly generated. So this puts a lot of videos at a disadvantage, because some people will decide whether to click on a video based purely on the thumbnail. It used to be the case that only people who are invited by YouTube to be partners, or people who have joined partnership networks, could use custom thumbnails. But recently, YouTube has started to grant privileges to use custom thumbnails to more and more YouTubers. If you have monetized videos and are in good standing, then your account may have custom thumbnails enabled. One of my accounts was recently enabled. So if you go to one of my videos and click on the edit button, you'll see there are 3. These 3 are the randomly generated thumbnails, and down here is the custom thumbnail. You can change the image and upload it, a different one. I'll show you another video which shows this better. This is another one of my videos. Here are the 3 randomly generated thumbnails, and below here is a new button, custom thumbnail. If you see this button, then that means your account has been enabled. And what you do is that you pick a picture that you think represents your video, and then you can upload it by clicking on this custom thumbnail. Now, you shouldn't just pick any photo. Of course, the photo should be representative of your video, and the dimensions of it should be an aspect ratio of 16:9, ideally. So I've got a video here, which is a picture of the author, Chetan Bhagat. That's what my video is about. And so to crop this picture to 16:9, I use iPhoto. Click on Edit, Crop. Now you can constrain the proportions to 16:9, which is suggested by YouTube. And you can move this around, crop out the unwanted parts of the background. Try and apply the rule of thirds as far as possible. And then click Apply to crop it. And if you're satisfied with it, then you click Done. And then you can export it as a JPEG. Don't choose maximum quality, just choose high, because you have to make sure that the file is under 2 megabytes, and then export it. Now I won't click export because I've already cropped the file and exported it previously. So I've put it on my desktop, and it's here. CIMG6147 crop JPEG. It's 336 kilobytes, so it's under the 2 megabyte upper limit. and it's being cropped to an aspect ratio of 16:9. So it should work perfectly as a thumbnail. When you do cropping, try and get try to cut out the noisy background and try to pick a photo with a relatively clean or simple background, because such photos tend to look better as a thumbnail. You don't want a really noisy and busy background. A simple background is the best as a thumbnail. So we go back to the video, click on custom thumbnail, go to desktop, select the picture you want to use as a thumbnail, choose, and it'll start uploading it. There. Now it's been uploaded. Then you click on Save Changes. And it's been saved. Now if you go back to the video manager, you should see that the thumbnail is changed.